guys, I'm pretty happy to show you our new board today. This is development sample, but it already works as expected. This is our new 2-in-1 day running lights and turn signal sequential board, which is capable to hold up to 3 amperes of current per single channel. It has 16 channels in total, and last 4 of them is capable to work as day running light function. Also, turn signal speed can be adjusted here from 0 to 2 seconds of total time. The heart of the board is STM microcontroller unit, which is connected directly to 2 shift registers with simple SPI interface. This shift registers drives 8 high power MOSFETs, which is capable to deliver up to 3 amps of current. Also, you see 2 input optocouplers, which is dedicated to the powering of whole board and switch internal signals. The board itself is powered by these signals and didn't require self-powering at all. We developed not board itself, but testing child for it, so I will show you now how it works. Here you see I mounted our board on top of development shield, and let's power it. As you see, only one channel of day running lights is on, and this is how sequential works. Now I can switch the last 2 channels to work as day running light.